Alright, so how to make affiliate marketing work. My name is Ricky Burrows from rickyburrows.com. Like and subscribe to this channel for more free content. So how do you make affiliate marketing work? A lot of people get this, this idea in their head. I want to make money online. I want to make money as an affiliate for some company that I'm really supportive of. And it comes down to knowing your target audience and giving them exactly what they want. You must persuade them in order to give them what they want. And in order to do that, you have to know what are their fears, what are their challenges, what are their pain points, and select those few things and just bring it into focus. If you can break their attention off of whatever it is that they're doing and get them to focus on the pain that they're in and show them the solution that they have pain first of all, and then show them the solution to that pain problem and just give it to them. Then you will have a higher chance of actually getting your affiliate marketing business getting results. So how do you start doing that? In order to do that, like I said in the beginning, you must know your target audience. You must build that audience. And then once you start building that audience, you engage with that audience. And the way to engage with them is to know what's on their mind. What are they thinking? What are they searching for? What is their pain? What are their problems? And with that, we can talk about the essential human needs for your business. Now, if you're totally new into all this and you still are struggling with this, that's okay. I'll leave a link in the description below that will explain it even more so you can get a full understanding of what affiliate marketing is and what you need to do to get started. So let's continue on with this. So if you know your target audience's pain and you can provide a pain reliever, that will cause them to buy your product, service, or opportunity. If you encourage their dreams, then you provoke them to think bigger, greater, outside. Like they don't have to be inside of some dead-end job. They can start dreaming, living a life that's far beyond, a dead-end job. People settle for less, but people like you, they don't do that. They don't settle for less. You don't settle for less. So what you got to do is you got to encourage people to start dreaming really big. You got to start encouraging people to say, okay, if you want to have a life that's completely debt-free, here's how I got started, and I started like eliminating some of my debt. And even small results will just it'll catch fire with people. Like, okay, he's getting some results, then let's just keep going with that. When I first got started in this industry, I really struggled. I really had no clue what I was doing, and I was just endlessly searching on YouTube for like how to do this and how to do affiliate marketing and like all the how to make affiliate marketing work. You know, so when I was doing all that, I really was coming out of desperation. But once I got into a system and I connected with a mentor and I connected with a community of people, that's when things started to change because I got the training, I got the knowledge, and then I just took action on what I needed to do. And then I started making money. So once I started making money with that, then things became like, okay, now I just need to scale it up. I need to go even bigger. I need to just take more action every day, and that's really the thing what you got to do. So if you need more information on how to do affiliate marketing and where to get started, go ahead and click on the link below and you'll get a full description as to what you need to do. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I look forward to engaging with you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.